Well guys, if you've been watching my last video, you know that I've got a few skunks on the patio coming up here eating my cat food, and I ordered this Z-Trap 8-inch Skunk-N-More. If you didn't see my first video, I'll put an end screen at the end, and I'll also put a link down in the description. If you're thinking about buying this, I've actually got the whole unboxing set up and review, and I'm going to do something a little different tonight. I'm going to set up 5 cameras. I'm going to set up cameras, one looking out in the yard, and I'm going to try to get 4 different angles on the trap so we can actually see him going in, and hopefully we can get some footage of him tripping the, tripping it, so shut the door. So, hey, I'm going to quickly show you how this trap sets. I know I'm going to get questions on that. I didn't go over it real good in my last video, so I'm going to quickly show you how I set this. Okay, to set this, you've got a lock right here. So when the door goes down, this lock keeps it from coming up. So what you do is pull this up, you lift it up, and you've got a, I guess it's a bolt sticking out, and you just put it right on the edge of that, bar right there. That's the trip. And what's good about this is there's a trigger hanging down inside. If he goes to the right side, he trips it. If he goes to the left side, he trips it. And if he goes straight on, he trips it. So hopefully I can get some footage of him actually tripping the doors. Let's just bait this with some cat food, because that's what they're used to eating. We'll come back in the morning and see if we've got us a skunk. Well guys, this Z-Trap Skunk-N-More 8-inch is an awesome trap. That's 2 nights in a row, and I've got 2 skunks. So, hey, it's in a cylinder. We're gonna take it out in the country and turn him loose. So, hey, come go with me. Well, if you watched the unboxing video, you know this is the place I let his buddy out yesterday, so let's go turn him out and maybe they can find each other. All right, let's remove the door and get out of the way. See if we can get him out of here without getting it sprayed. Yeah, this one don't want to come out. The one came out yesterday real quick. Let me see if I can tilt it, see if he'll go out. Yeah, it looks like I'm just gonna have to wait this one out. Yeah, I think I see him. I thought I seen him. There he goes. I can barely see him. Yeah, hell, he went back up in there. Go out, Bubba. There he goes. There he goes. He's out. Well, go find your buddy. That didn't come out quite as easy as the one yesterday. Well, that was 2 days or 2 nights, 2 skunks. I can't ask this trap to do any more. This 8-inch Z trap's gonna last me many years. So hey, if you hadn't watched the unboxing video, check that out. I'll have an end screen so you can click on it. If you're thinking about buying one, hey, I highly recommend it. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. If you'll notice, I've got several more critters in my backyard, and I'm going to be catching them and trying to film them. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll catch you later.